That's the kind, boy, if you get a foul ball, you're really happy you did your job. Deep center field, way back, way back. We're tied up.
Well, the fans have come alive again, Tony, Joe. They are alive.
What a study of a manager, Darrell Johnson. And what a study of fans. And what a study of a bench. There he is, Bernie Carbo. 2 base hits, 2 home runs. Here comes Fred Lynn. Lynn hit a 3-run homer in the first. High fly ball, left field. Foster's got a shot. They're tagging up at third. Here comes the throw. It is in time. Doyle is out. Foster to bench. A double play. Watch the tag by bench. It's the same kind of tag Fisk made in Cincinnati, like a first baseman. Makes the grab and one hand and swipe tag. Gets him before he gets down. Denny Doyle is out. A double play. Sparky Anderson is out there once again. Oh, brother. Morgan, the kind of a guy you could do a lot of things with. Well hit, right field, deep. Evans is going back near the wall, and oh, what a catch he made! What a catch by Dwight Evans, and it's a double play. Griffey didn't know what happened as Evans made a spectacular catch, and take a look at this.
Tom, as we listen to those memorable plays, here's something about Joe Garagiola. On top of it in terms of detail, but you can feel the exuberance of the fan and also the perspective of someone who's been down there on the field and has felt moments like that himself.
Yeah, he definitely captured the energy in all those moments that we listened to. And the other thing I look at and re-listening to Joe Garagiola, Bob, is that he loved, as he said, talking baseball. He really did not have use for statistics. He said statistics are like a lamppost for a drunk, something you just lean on. And he liked to quote this old line from Branch Rickey that said, if you had 1 foot in the oven and 1 foot in a bucket of ice, you would be perfectly comfortable according to the math of that. So Joe is a guy who loved to tell stories, captured the energy and the enthusiasm, but he was not about having you do any math in the course of the game.